Okay, most people are using AI the wrong way. We all got the same AI now, right? Same tools, so we are asking the same questions and we are getting the same answers. And that's exactly why everyone is starting to sound the same. Same advice, same post, and same thing over and over. But there's a small group of people that use it completely differently. They don't use it to get answers, they use it to think. And that one little difference, that's the whole gap between sounding like everyone else and actually having ideas that are your own. So today I want to show exactly how to use AI to think better, to ask better questions, reason stuff out, because better questions give better answers, better ideas, and honestly everything becomes better. And I broke them into 3 simple ways. I call them the 3 minds. I've been doing this every single day for about a year now, and they are so simple. Let's get into it. And look, before you think this is just some abstract thinking thing, it's not, because here's the thing. Because how you think decides the whole choice you make. It decides the opportunity you spot that everyone will just pass upon. It decides the stuff that you are actually able to build. And in a world where AI is almost everywhere and can do almost anything, the people who win aren't the one who use it the most. Everybody knows everything now. It's the one who can actually think. That's the whole game. And this is not even new yet. There's this famous book, Think and Grow Rich, came out in 1937, and the whole point is basically the way you think decides how far you can get, how much you make. So people have known this principle forever. The only thing that's new, now we've actually got told that to do it with you. And think about it, the internet already put all the world's information one click away for free, but most people never really used it. Why? Because you had to know what to look for, and AI just took that one step further. Now you don't even need to look, it just hands you the answer, and it's not about finding information anymore. That part is free now. The hard part is knowing what to actually ask, and that's what the 3 minds are for. So the first one, the questioner. This one comes from the book More Beautiful Question by Warren Burger, and the whole point is really simple. The people who can change things, they are not the one with the best answers. They are the one who ask best questions. But here's what nobody tells you about questions. Every question has a size. You can go big, you can go wide, you can go small, you can go tight. And most people get stuck just with one, like asking something too big. Hey, give me some ideas. You get boring stuff anyone could get. But ask something too small. Just write this for me, and it just does what you said, and you don't learn anything. And the thing is, switching between the two on purpose. You may ask why, then what if, why does it even work this way? They jump straight into the house, they just get stuff done, but they never come up with anything new. So it's not about asking more questions, it's about knowing when to open it and when to zoom in. Okay, our second mind, the chai, and this one is from Feynman, one of the smartest scientists who ever lived. He had this little test for whether he actually understood something. He will ask, can I explain this to a child, not another scientist, a little kid? Because with fancy words, that's usually where we hide when we really don't get something. And you can try this yourself right now. Take something you think you know and understand, and try to say it aloud in the simplest way you can. And most of the time, you read a word. You read for some of the big words because you can't say the simple version. And that word, that's exactly the thing you don't actually understand. So flip it around. Don't just ask AI to explain it to you. That just makes you feel smart for a second. Tell it to be the kid. Tell it to keep asking questions why over and over until you get stuck. And wherever you get stuck, that's the thing you go and learn, because understanding was never about repeating stuff. This is my favorite one, the connector. Alright, there is this book, and the idea is the best ideas don't come from inside one thing. They come from where two different things bump into each other. The new idea is never a single circle. It is in the overlap. What I mean is, take boring things, for example, a chair. Well, it's furniture. It's a piece of furniture. You sit on it, but when you stand on it, it's now a ladder. Throw a coat on it, it's storage. Put it in an art gallery, suddenly it's design. Same boring chair, 4 completely different ideas. The only thing that changed is what you put next to it. That's the whole game. Everything connects to something. You just got to find the link. So take one idea and smash it completely into something totally different. This is the thing AI is very good at. You push 2 random things together and you just watch what comes out. You are not asking it for the answer. You are making the space in your head bigger, so that the next time you get stuck, you put it in a different one and see what happens. Now, some of you are thinking using AI doesn't make you lazy or like dumber. It's actually the complete opposite. You are not handing it off the thinking. You are doing the hardest part yourself. You are just doing it with a partner who never gets tired. And that's the part I really love about this. None of it is new. Berger, Feynman, Napoleon Hill, they all figured it before AI ever existed. The tool changed, but the skill never did. Thinking was always the thing that set people apart. AI just finally puts it in reach for rest of us. And honestly, that's exactly how I build everything I'm working on right now. So next time when you open your best AI tool, don't ask it for the answers immediately. Pick one of the 3 minds, the questioner, the child, or the connector, and use that instead. And do me a favor, tell me in the comment section which one you are going to try first. See you, peace!